Welcome back.
Tonight, I'm gonna make a couple more of these guys. I've got 2 of them. Spoiler alert.
Actual spoiler alert this time.
So if you don't want to see until the end, skip this next little tidbit. Or get a friend to while you close your eyes. There you go. One Jared picked out. I did not pick the color combo. Jared picked from our supply of felt. Here's Carl's yellow-eyed, dark pink-mouthed, wooden helmeted person.
With
ivory shoes.
So, if you like that quality, follow along.
The first step in this process is going to be to trace the pattern onto the fabric.
I'm not going to trace this time.
Got this rotary cutter, super sharp.
It will cut.
That may be plagiarism.
It will kill.
Definitely plagiarism.
I'm going to try cutting directly through so I don't have to trace it.
From this piece, I need a head and 2 hands. Alright, the black is a pain in the butt because it's just the same as the shadows.
It's hard to see.
Got a little bit of a dink somewhere on the wheel that doesn't cut quite well. I've known about that for some time. I haven't used it in a long time, so I'd forgotten. But oh, do I remember now. I didn't pause it. So, cut right-handed, but I'm a left-hander.
Just a little mouth.
Last color.
Oops. Eat over your plate. That's what I tell my kids all the time.
Don't make a mess on the floor. Ooh, big scissors. Nope, I tried the little ones. To get the dainties.
Finally!
Wow, my neck's sore. Oh, that's tender. Oh, yeah, that's tender. Oh, wait, I didn't cut the eyes for yellow. Okay. Wow, my neck is sore.
Cutting's all done.
Now, I'll start to assemble. I've got everything cut. Put the cutters away. Going to start assembling. You take this little guy. I already broke one of the needles. It's got 5 little needles in it that are barbed. And then you take this pad of bristles, like a huge toothbrush, for a rhino.
A rhinoceros?
Or maybe an elephant tusk. And you just, and it takes some of the fibers from the top one, and it pushes it through, and just kind of weaves them together. Something like that. I believe the official term for this is
Felting.
I believe. Alright, so I've got human face, and I'm going to place his eyeballs, but I want to see how his helmet's going to go. Clever, right? Something like that. Make sure I have enough material to... Whoa, giant eyeballs. Alright. There will be a lot of passwording in this as well. So, what I'm trying to do is put the frizz where you won't notice it. So, the eyes are now covered up, the eye frizz is now covered up at the back of the helmet. I wanted to do the perimeter of the back of the helmet to the head, and then cover that frizz with the front of the helmet. And I think it worked okay. We'll see. Going through several layers gets, I think that's how I broke the one needle. Here's face. Mush back in. I really suck with the timer. But whatever. Hairy chest. Ooh, look at that. Poofy. But cover that up with the front in a little bit. I didn't record! Okay, so hopefully you can hear off of that audio.
Here we go. We'll just continue on.
Let's see. Ooh, there, hairy chest. Before I mat it down. Mat it down, a little trimmy do, and it's gone. We'll cover that up with the front in a little bit. So, with that, let's see, next I'm going to put the back of the legs to the back of the chest. Definitely getting some fuzz through there. Some fuzz through there. Wait, I want that to go down. Ah, it doesn't matter. I'm going to cover it. There's going to be a front to the legs and a front to the, there's going to be a chest. So all this fuzz will get covered up. I am horrible with the timer. It's roughly at 1 hour and 25 minutes. Who knows what it's really at. There is the back. Alright, hands connected to the body, feet connected to the body, back of the legs, back of the back, back of the helmet, a little bit of fuzz there, showing through, might see about, maybe trimming that, maybe not. It is the back, that's why I go that way. And now I'll put on the front of the pants.
Boom. There's that guy.
Fuzzy back, bleed through on there, bleed through up here. But on the front, he just has a ton of bullet holes. Probably rub those. Make him disappear a little bit too. We'll do a review in a minute. Finish this guy now. Pants first. One leg at a time.
Unless you're Greg.
What was his last name? Had a coworker who, in his interview, said that the thing that made him hireable was that he put his pants on 2 legs at a time.
Greg H.
I'll say that. If you're out there, Greg, I don't believe it. Nobody can put their pants on 2 legs at a time. Sweet. Alrighty. About an hour and a half, and we got our 2 little felted puppets. Carry on back. I didn't really. Which did I just do? This guy. I'll mat it down. Alright. A little bit of lift up. Just like a helmet would have. Right there, pretty good seam. Whoa, just gurgled. Pretty good seam around the helmet. A little bit of split there. Maybe I'll seal that up. Yeah. Right through here. Not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah. So for him, really just this arm. Alright, and then this guy, chicken, not too bad there. Good on the arm, good, good, good. That's alright. Not too bad. Getting a lift up there, but I don't want to get too much on the helmet. Yeah, so at this point, I would say, lock it. And it's time for the happy dance. It's time for the victory dance. No, it's time for the completion dance. Here you go. Is it everything you dreamed it would be?
No.
It's not? Get out of here.
Alright, Jared.
I present to you, again, this guy. Do you like it?
Yes.
Is it awesome?
Yes.
Is it perfect?
Yes.
Wrong. It's good enough.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.
If you got another minute, you can watch the next video with me in it. Remember, the next video with me in it. Or, since this one's probably quite a bit shorter than the last one, you could just watch this one again. Watch this one over and over. Over and over. Over and again. Again and again. Over and again. Again and over.
Yeah.
Ooh, here's a sneak peek at an upcoming video. Perhaps the next video. Bum bum bum! Hopefully it turns out and makes for a good video. A lot of fast forwarding in the stained glass video. With that, I will bid you adieu. 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 I will bid you goodbye. Farewell. Oh, good. I will bid you good. So long, folks.